Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Jay Devar, and welcome back to another video, man. And honestly, this week's video, man, I got some exciting news. I just recently passed my recent funding challenge again with the funding traders. So, yeah, man, I'm pretty excited, pretty happy. I was funded once before, and I got like two payouts, and I ended up losing that first 25K account that I had basically passed and got funded with that one. So that first $25,000 account, I ended up losing it because around like the third payout, I was like up $800, and because I got a little greedy and wanted to get to 1,000 and have like a bigger payout, like profit split, I ended up giving it all back, and yeah, ended up going to the drawdown, and yeah, the rest was that after that. But recently, I just got funded again with TFT, another 25K account, another 25K night challenge account. And honestly, with this one, I kind of credit TFT because in the last video that I did, I'll leave a link to that one, like a little link to that one. But in the last video that I did, I was talking about like a new platform that called DX Trade that TFT kind of like forced all of their US traders to like start trading off of, which was still kind of weird. I still don't really like the platform and everything of the sort, but we just gotta adapt to the situation, man. If we want to make this money, we gotta adapt to like the changes in the industry. There is another funding company that I am currently in like another challenge situation with, and honestly, that was going pretty well. I'm up like 8% on that account, like roughly 8 to almost 9%, 8.5 to 9% on that account. So I just need to make like a maybe one more trade to send me over the profit target, and then basically I get funded with that one, and when I get funded with that challenge right there, I'll let you guys know what the company is, everything of the sort. If you guys want to take advantage of that opportunity, you're more than welcome to do so. But that one is like an instant funding challenge, and before I do a video on it, I actually want to see like if I get a payout for it, at first. So before I, go and do all that, this is what I want to be sure like I'm not putting y'all on to something that I ain't really gonna pay y'all out. But apparently there's a lot of good reviews on it like the past 2 years. But yeah, the next video I'll definitely like get that out to you guys when I do pass that funding challenge. But going back to TFT. What TFT did was they basically because like the new platform DX Trade or like some broker I guess called Voyage Markets that they decided to integrate with all their challenge accounts with. Basically the servers were down a lot, so like some people apparently couldn't log into like their accounts and everything of the sort. Um, Payouts were being denied at that point in time too because of the platform integrations, and also too because of some of the troubles or situations that people were having with the new platform. Um, I've got notifications in the Discord because I'm in the TFT Discord. I got notifications saying that that they're supposed to be opening up a second DX Trade server because apparently I guess the first server can't like take in all the people that he had to like move over for like all the other platforms. But um, yeah, man. So basically, what they did was since like the platform was down every now and again, and some people weren't able to trade on their accounts, whether funded or currently going through the challenge phase. They what TFT decided to do was they decided to like go ahead and give like a 5% compensation to everyone's accounts. So basically, on my account with $25,000, basically what they did was they added 5% to that. So they added they added about 1250. Yeah, so $1,250. So basically, they added half of the profit target that I already had to get to. So they added 5%. All I had to do was make 5%. Bada boom, bada bang. I did that with basically one trade on oil. That trade on oil I have is right here. It was basically just like a optimal trade entry on the on oil. ICT optimal trade entry from this low right here. That was the liquidity sweep right here. This previous low right here. So this liquidity sweep. So this low. Sorry guys. So this low right here swept this one, so this is a liquidity sweep. And then we basically had price moving higher and then formed another high here. And then this is basically where it started. Price started to basically just head lower. So basically from this high, from this low to this high right here, right? This is our optimal trade entry range. So you see right here we have our 61.8, we have our 70.5 or 71%. Some people use the 71%. I use the way ICT did it. 70.5% and 79% retracement levels. And honestly, with the TFT earlier before the DX trading platform was having issues and everything, I was already in the trade. Actually, no, on NT5, I was already in this trade on NT5 right here. When it price initially hit the 61.8, I was already in this trade on NT5, but I got taken out of it because of like the platform that I had on NT5 was Think Markets. And that's when the TFT came in with all the whole integration and everything. So I got all these positions right here got closed out. But as the weeks went on, and that was last week. So as this week went on, as last week went on, price kept heading lower down into here, back into the 61.8%. So I'm thinking, okay, if it comes down to this level again, I have 71% and 79%. Is there anything that's resting right here in this area? And right here is this 4-hour fair value gap that you guys see I have right here. Now, with this fair value gap, right, technically, you from here to here, this is the entire gap. But as you can see, with the fair value gap being positioned here, you see that there was already a previous move down into it. That's what helped price head higher, make this higher high right here, right? Or make this swing high right here. So what I did was, this is something that ICT has taught us too, taught like in the mentorships. Although we see that it kind of like filled in the fair value gap right here, there's still an inefficiency in price right here. So from here to here, this is filled in, but there's still an inefficiency or a gap when you put the fair value gap right here at the low of this candle's wick right here. So there's still an inefficiency right here, and that's exactly where price ended up coming down into right here. So from here to here, we still have an inefficiency. So this is still an area for price to really come and fill in, and then before it's like efficiently delivered, right? And then we're gonna head higher. As you see, I have my entry set on here. I have my limit order on the other platform, DX Trade set right here. And as you guys can see, we went ahead and ran for that swing high right here. That was marked on the OTE field. And then I had another trade, right? Actually, this trade, I also took these same trades on like the other funding account that I'm doing right now currently. Like I said, when I get funded, I'll like show you guys that. But this was a 15-minute continuation entry right here. If I go to the lower time frame, you'll see, but I'm not gonna do it for this video because I didn't take this trade on the DX Trade account. I only took this one. So I only took this one. Yeah, I only took this one right here on the DX Trade account, and then I had took this one, right? So I had another trade set up right here, and then I had this one right here. So I already had, I was able to set the trades on the DX Trade platform before it came down into the 61.8%. That's what it was. Okay, so I was technically still in this position right here, and I would have been in a little bit of drawdown, but eventually, like, we went ahead and ran for the swing high. I can show you guys that on the platform right here. As you see, this is the DX Trade platform, Voyage Markets. That's the broker. As you can see, I had the 2 trades on oil. I had a loss on Euro USD a couple weeks ago. But right here, as you guys can see, my positions were this right here for $831, and this right here for $567. I closed these trades out, and that totaled to about $1,300. As you guys can see, or probably $1,500. As you guys can see, I ended up passing the account. Like the So I ended up passing the challenge by $71 because the 10% target on the $25,000 account is $2,500. So add that, you basically get $27,500, and me being in profit over that with $71, that basically passed the challenge for me. So you guys can see this is also the account. See the account number over here. I'm not sure if you guys can see the account number over here, but the account number over here is basically the same as this one. And if I go to this account number right here, as you guys can see, this is the funded account right here, funded, in progress, the equity, and basically I'm good to go. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited to really be funded again. I told myself if I did it once, I could do it again, and I surely did. So that's a big confidence boost there. And honestly, my mindset going into this funding account right here is like, I'm not gonna try to be greedy, like, especially because like I'm a swing, especially because like I like to swing a bit more. I might dabble into like kind of like day trading a bit more, but it's still gonna be like swing based, So my day trades probably be me stacking entries in my swing trades. So my 4-hour swing trades, right? As you can see right here, like this is the 4-hour swing trade that I took. This trade basically took like all week to get here. So I got filled in right here on Monday, right? And then I got filled in right here on Monday down to this fair value gap. You see, I marked the Sunday open. Sunday's open was right here. So what I wanted to see was a run down low, possibly on Monday, like a liquidity sweep right here, and that's exactly what happened. We swept this low on this candle. So we ended up sweeping this low down into that fair value gap. That inefficiency right there, that's still resting right there. So we swept that, tapped into here. We're still at the 70% and 79% retracement levels of the OTE, and price headed higher. And basically, this trade took all week before we eventually headed up into here. I did want to target all these levels up here, but honestly, it wasn't really necessary because from just here to here, we locked in almost a 1 to 3, so I'm not really tripping about it. We always made triple our money, so I'm not really tripping about it. No need to. And that's honestly how I'm just going about it, just targeting the swing. If I can get it in the 71% level, cool. If not, I'm cool with the 618, even though the risk reward might be a little lower. I'm still getting paid. Like, that's honestly my mindset going into this funding account. Like, just get paid, bro. Just get paid. Don't worry about hitting no profit targets, no milestones. Like, you ain't in the challenge phase no more. You is fully funded. So just get paid. Right? That's my mindset right now. So yeah, guys. Yeah, but like I said, I'm excited to be funded again, and honestly, can't wait to just document this journey with you guys and just, kind of show you guys what it's like being a funded trader, and kind of like just want to show you guys like my experience, I guess, while being a newly funded trader, and just get my trading journey started. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also just leave a comment down below, whether y'all want to congratulate me, or if you guys want to share like your funded experiences and everything. Sorry, just have a little conversation, I guess. But this is your boy Jay Navarre, and I'm gonna check y'all out in the next one, man. Peace out.